it, brah. Frothing.
Job.
Yeah, boy.
Good job.
That's a cool fish, brother.
He's just playing up like a second-hand lawnmower. Yeah, cool. Oh, he's lit up.
I'll lift now, but you watch this. I haven't not got a fish on a drop yet.
I know, how good is it? We got a double hook up, Eddie's on.
I think they're going, bro.
I'm bending. You don't get any better than this.
Well, good morning guys. It's really early in the morning. Benny's still asleep. He had a massive day yesterday, and on top of that he missed his flight here, so he actually just hopped in the car and drove. So he spent the whole night driving here and got here just before we launched the boat in the morning. So I'm going to let the little fella sleep in, and yeah, it is freezing here this morning, so I'm kind of holding off swimming to the boat because it's going to be bloody cold. Half of our breakfast stuff's on the boat, so we've got to get out there later. But anyway, I'm going to let Benny sleep in and take advantage of this early morning light. We're going to throw the drone up and have a bit of a look around. So welcome to day 2. We've got some big plans today. We've got new areas we haven't been to before. We've got some species we want to try and catch that we haven't caught before. And yeah, should be a killer day. So yeah, I'm bloody excited. So throw this drone up, have a bit of a fly around this morning, see what we can't find, and get stuck in the brekkie and get the day going.
Cast of the morning. Oh, wind knot straight up.
Oh, that's a bad one, man.
Yeah, I know. It's going to be bad because first cast is usually something.
Like just little bits in front of it.
Oh, that is not a good start to the morning. Well, first cast in the morning equals me retying my FG, so take 2, eh? He's managed to get one.
Good one, Brett.
Was. Seen a bit of bait on it by me. So there's got to be a fish there. There was a couple, did you see it?
Yeah.
Smaller
He's
one.
a long fish.
He's a good fish. It's real good. Better than yesterday's. Very nice, Bernie.
Not bad.
Finally. Got one.
Whales in the distance.
Oh, it's all looking good. Sun's out, fun's out.
Got him with the
We'll get this guy on board, eh? Very good. A little pop, doing the damage. It's a good fish, man.
Yeah, good one.
It's real good.
Cracker, frothing. We had a few camera issues, didn't we, Brad?
Yeah, on the old Dewey, and now it's come back to haunt me on this one. So, yeah.
There's a cracker. Sick.
Good fish, buddy.
Frothing.
A shower. Oh,
yeah, brah.
good
Frothing.
Good job.
Brad,
Hey, how are you?
what do you got?
Oh,
Something large.
something very large. A very long rod. Brought the swim bait rod out for a bit of fun, and I'm kind of regretting it a little bit. But yeah, as I said this morning while Benny was asleep, today's the day we try something a bit different. And I think we've got our target species. So I've never caught a big black Jew in my life, and we found a couple. Oh, I think I may have one on. So it's yeah, it's a battle. I'll tell you, we've been on it for like 5 minutes already. It's a good one. Benny lost 2 already. His little vibe's been getting smacked. But yeah.
Look at those head shakes, bro.
This one's not happy. Going easy on it, try and lift it up a bit slow so we can avoid the whole barotrauma thing.
Yeah, so they don't really release as well as other fish, do they?
No. But if you take it easy and we vent it, we should get lucky, I reckon. Oh, my arms are shaking. He's just so heavy.
He's going to be large, bro. I hope you realise these fish are large.
I don't realise these fish are large.
They're big old slugs of things.
Never caught one.
This school particularly is of larger size. Look at the lean back on this fella.
I've still got the...
Anyone think you're on a banger?
Anyone?
Deep diving.
I've still got my kink back from that weight belt. Ooh.
Wow, violence, isn't it?
It is. Oh, I'm gonna have a bruise on the crutch for sure. He really is dragging us a long way.
He's taking us for a walk. Yeah, you're single on that, eh?
And a trap.
Oh yeah, sick. There he comes, he's cooked.
It's the Barra upgraded version. So
Here he comes, he's cooked. The fact that he's still sizzling you when you got him this high up is like a good... Yeah, bro, he'll release well.
There.
He'll release well.
Yeah, he's swimming good.
Yeah.
A little bit of deep colour then. Get it up and it's just a cod.
I'd love that.
What's that thing?
Cod don't give you head
Oh,
shakes
there
like
he is.
that, brother.
Is that a shark?
No, bro. Oh, yes, it is.
What have I got a shark?
You're kidding, you caught a shark. Okay.
Why, no.
That's pretty...
Really?
Yeah, that's a big shark, bro.
He actually ate the lure too. Look at him.
Okay, well, that's interesting.
Oh no. I'd really high hopes then. It ate the lure. The lure was hanging out of his gob.
Saw it. Let the emotions out, Brad.
Disappointed. But the fish is still there. Okay, hopefully that shark's got a sore mouth and he won't eat our fish if we do get one. Far enough. Oh. Can't believe that. What a chip.
Oh, you poor man.
Benny's on. Good job.
Yeah, boy.
Good job.
Oh,
no.
No.
Too hard.
Oh, again? These hooks, Brad.
Oh, bummer.
They're not the... Oh, look.
Straighten it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Upgrade.
Bummer. It's been a long slog, bro.
Has, man.
Has been. You've lost another 2 or 3.
Yeah, I've had a few hits and just lost one.
Yeah. Oh, I've got that sizzling on GoPro. Very railed using.
I think you got yourself one this time, brother.
Yeah, feels good.
They give you a bit of a sizzling, don't they?
Oh yeah. It's not overly heavy gauge hooks on this lure either, so yeah, that's straight.
Go easy on him.
Just don't want old mate Sharky to come on around today.
I think his mouth's a bit sore, Brett.
Hopefully it was the only one. We did see one on the screen. See that?
Yeah,
Swift.
that was smooth, brother.
That was swift.
Oh, he's going home to Rocktown.
It is. I'm using Murray cod combos on the salt. It's really good.
At least you got a long bart.
Yeah.
That'd be nice. Sizzler.
Hell yeah, he's smoking. Oh, there goes the hook. Oh, got colour.
What colour? Big silver?
Silver.
That's him.
Oh,
Nice fish, brother. Really nice
yeah.
fish.
Yeah, that front hook is full.
He's proper, brother. He's a proper one.
He's in good nick too, isn't he?
Yeah, he's fine. He should go. There's no boat wrong at all by the looks.
No, he's good.
Very nice. That's a good thing about getting him out of this shallow water too, man.
Yeah,
It's like you can...
golden.
Very nice, bro. Well done.
Good
Yay.
job, brother. Good job. I'll get him up quickly.
Yeah, let's get him back in quickly too. Wow.
That's not bad, bro. For the
Bro,
first
he's that...
ever black chewy.
He's that silver, he's messing with the camera. He doesn't look real.
Oh, that's epic.
Wow, man.
That's a cool fish, brother. That is a cool fish.
You just want to give her a push.
Yeah, he's keen, but you go forward.
Yep.
He's healthy. Fins are all up now. He wants to go.
Give her a shove. There we go. She's down.
Oh yeah.
Well done, bro.
Yeah, look.
Yeah, bro, go on. Well done, bro.
Yes. So good, brother.
Sick,
So
bro.
good.
Frothin', yee! Frothy.
Let's go get you one. Well, legend, change of plans. As you would have seen, the fishing's been pretty tough today. So we are loading old Scouty up. She's got all the gear in the world. We got swags, we got cookers, we got eskies, you name it. Loaded to the hilt. And we're sending it back south. So we're going to jump in on the way. We saw some pretty prime areas, a couple of areas Benny's been to before, but he hasn't been in the water. So what I'm going to do is jump in the water, see what's there. So the aim of this trip was to get a cray, and I got a little one yesterday off camera, but yeah, couldn't find any solid ones. So I'm going to duck dive our way back. Benny's going to fish the way back, and between the two of us, hopefully throw a few in. We're going to catch. Hello, we're in jail. Help me. Gonna put a few on the esky for Benny to take home anyway. Yeah. So I'm gonna suit up. We've got everything packed, ready to go, and we're gonna start waddling back. So it's early afternoon. We've got a couple of hours to kill. We'll hit this, and fingers crossed, fuel turns out apples. So I'll see y'all in the water. Okay. See you on the other side of that island, big fella. We got one good bluey. Now we're gonna keep searching, keep heading. Skipper. Yeah. Sending. Oh, we just pulled up to put some marks in the sounder, and we saw a school of fish, so we dropped down. Benny's hooked up, I'm hooked up. Benny's just playing up like a second-hand lawnmower. Queenie, you reckon? Oh, he just snapped your braid. Isn't that new braid?
No, this isn't.
Oh. Benny just busted his off because he's a weapon.
I was hard out on him, bro. That's a tight drag. Very tight.
It doesn't look like a queenie, it's a big goldie, man.
Cool.
It's a gigantic school of goldies.
Yeah, that makes sense.
You just smoked a big goldie.
Good fish, bro.
Oh, look at the colours on it.
Yeah,
Oh, he's lit up.
lit the plug up.
There'd be 1,000 of them down there, man.
Yeah, there's a lot of them.
That is a... He is a sick looking fish. Oh,
Very cool, Brett.
good job. Good job.
Very nice.
He is.
Sick fish, bro.
That's good. So lit up. It's gold.
Very beautiful.
Absolute gold.
That is gold.
He is.
Literally.
Literally gold.
Very cool,
That's
bro.
awesome.
There's a big school of them there, isn't there?
There is. There'd be well over 100 fish on the sounder. That is cool, man. Oh, good job.
Hooks out, get him home.
Yeah, punch these other marks in and turn this into a red thing, I reckon.
I reckon we need some red stuff.
Yep.
Nice spots, bud.
Yeah.
He got some little Dalmatian spots on him.
Don't know if I can get him with the heaps of black spots. Okay, we're going for a jig. See how we go here. Bit deeper, bit wider.
I'm drifting a different way there, Brett.
We're drifting different.
Yeah, very different.
We've been peppering it for about half an hour.
Valley or something.
You reckon?
Yeah.
We've been trying to get a nanny and they haven't been playing a game.
Oh no, maybe. Little one. They got him right. Look at them with a lift now, but you watch this.
Oh, solid.
No, Trevally.
Oh no.
Oh,
It's a high fin.
That's cool.
They're cool looking fish, man.
They are, bro.
We got one here last time.
Yeah,
remember?
we did. Yeah, that's
a good
sick
one.
fish.
Fry pan snapper.
Very cool.
Got a fin on it.
Very cool. Oh, they're up now.
Nice.
I'm just gonna go straight back down there, because that looks a bit better.
Yeah. They're moving. See you later, little fella. Cheers for the visit.
Very cool.
They are. Alright, down. Nanny, on your board.
See that?
We're back. We were gonna pull the pin and we ran over a school of fish. We got a double hook up, Eddie's on.
I think I know golden, bro.
I'm bending. You don't get any better than this. Sun's has legit just... Oh, I pulled out. Oh no. Oh. I got dusted. Oh.
Oh, this is big, bro.
It's a goldie, I reckon. I think he's messed up my bloody plastic. Ah, bummer. Wind this up and see how Benny's going. Well, he messed it up, alright. Please tell me, big goldie. Oh, nice.
Oh, not that one.
Nice.
Not bad.
Picked the right time of day to catch it. The golden hour for the golden fish. Get it? You get it?
I did. It was a very good drag, bro. They're not bad.
That's real nice, man. Well done.
Sick. Frothing. Little consolation prize, give him a hug.
Yeah.
Give him a kiss in his big, beautiful lips.
Do the old Rexy hunt.
No way. I'm a street fighter.
See you, buddy.
Not very graceful, but...
Okay, you want to do that
I'll
again?
just follow them, they're not them.
He's going back down.
That's not good.
Next drop, and he's on again.
Oh, they're good fish.
Feeding it. I'm trying to get to the bottom. We'll see how we go. See if we make this a double. We're just coming through the sounder again now. That one looks a bit better, bud.
Alright.
Yep. Oh, straight up. Oh, after a long day not catching anything, and tell you what.
Black Jew.
I know, but that feels like a lifetime ago. Oh, this one feels bigger. A lot bigger than what I hooked before. Oh. Jesus. Oh, he's actually pulling string. Yours another golden. Oh, I'm getting... There's not much room with all our camping gear, I tell you.
Settle.
And he's got his up.
And in.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a big store, bro. It's so big.
Every drop, man. Oh, I just got done again.
Done?
Yeah. Nah, I just pulled out. Oh, he was going ham in that current.
Is that your flash hook out?
Nah, just pulled. Whew. They do. That's wild.
Maybe good to go and 5, 4, 3 go.
Oh, some bending's good.
Bending is
I like bending. Oh. Better one? He's on again! Slaying it!
I haven't not got a fish on a drop yet.
I know, how good is it? Oh, I'm a light gear too. It's a good bend in that stick, buddy. It's not a bad way to end the trip, really.
Oh, a bit of fun, Brett. Look at them. Look at the fellas.
They're pretty stacked.
It's a bit hard not to get them.
So good. Yeah, it looks like we're not exactly in the current, so there's a chance. Yep.
How's that hook set?
Oh, pulled out. And one fresh one. Whoa, that one's bigger. Whoa. Oh, this is a wicked way to end the day. Doubles, bro. Oh, mine's large. Oh, yours is getting bigger. Yeah, that's definitely bigger than the other one. Oh. Oh. Oh, here comes mine. Double goldies. No, what have I got? No, I've got salt and pepper trevally. No wonder he hit it harder. Settle down, little fella. You're going home. Shake him off. He's out there. Just yours. Yours is a lot nicer than mine.
Yeah.
Good job. Yes.
Oh, Brad.
Good job. Sam?
Not a shark, is it?
Don't know. Yep.
Wow.
Is that a fish? Yeah, it is. Oh, that wasn't a golden. It didn't even know it was hooked.
That was large. Probably this kind of in.
What the hell? Dude.
Out under him.
Hooked it in a tail or something, probably. Yep.
Oh, that's good. Isn't it? That's a good fish. Was it just that rod? It looks skits, bro.
It's a swim bait rod. I don't think it's meant for jigging.
That looks so aggressive, dude. That does not look like fun at all.
It's hurting.
Bro.
It's definitely a trap.
Big tailies. That thing's got a big fucking finger.
Oh, I'd be a happy man.
It's not really playing up like it. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a fucking baller. You got him 15 metres up, bro. 10 metres up. Tell me this one, bro. Right there. 5 metres.
Oh, it's a finger.
No,
It's a finger.
bullshit.
Nah, I'm bullshitting you.
That's a rough little man.
Oh, that's funny. Oh, these are just awesome little fish.
Right.
Can't believe they're feeding so aggressively.
When the bangers don't bite.
Look at that. Hey? Sunset Goldie. Life's pretty good. See you, little fella. Woo!
Game, set, match.
It's a good way to end the day. I didn't expect that to happen. So happy though. Okay, we'll see you next time.